This video is designed to cover off the reapplication of protector oil on site. Step 1 is to wash down your facade and allow it to dry completely before applying your second coat. Step 2 is to shake the oil container vigorously to ensure a full dispersion of the pigment throughout the container. Step 3 is to apply the oil thinly and evenly, avoiding lap marks. Ensure that you've got the grooves and the crevices filled with oil. Apply the oil in long, even strokes, ensuring an even coating. Step 4 is to wipe off any excess oil before it dries. Some finishes, like patina, pearl and straw, may appear a bit patchy after coating. This will quickly even off after weathering.